Hey people, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the 7th episode of hashtag Tech Set Go. Today, we're going to speak all about the different types of cloud computing. The trend of cloud computing is constant in the IT industry. Generally, the term used by IT businesses or experts, companies. Nevertheless, the term itself incorporates various types of cloud computing. Selecting the best cloud computing type or model for your company caters to the usability, your company's size, cost effectiveness, advantages, requirements, and the variances provided by every kind of cloud computing service. Hence, you should understand the available models or types and decide the deployment that best meets your company's requirements. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump to the types of cloud computing. The first is private cloud. According to its name, the private cloud service is intended for single use. Generally, its resources are found on premises or a third-party vendor operates it at an off-site area. Third-party providers detach the computer resources through a private, secure network that cannot be shared with any other clients. The private cloud solution is the single tenancy model that is situated within the company's network and has private exposure only. The company handles it internally on its own and offers all hardware elements. If we speak about its advantages, then it supports legacy apps. Private access makes sure a safe and dedicated solution. Extreme level of flexibility enables changes in IT and business requirements without compromising performance and security. The disadvantages of private cloud is it needs extremely skilled experts. It's a costly solution as well. Mobile users get restricted access. It's not relevant for short-term use cases. The second type is public cloud. Public cloud is the most common type of cloud computing model, gives public access to the resources through the web. It is a multi-tenancy model with complete exposure found anywhere on the web within the boundaries of the service provider. The service provider extremely deals with it and fulfills all the hardware elements. If we speak about its advantages, then anybody can utilize the services online. It is highly scalable. High availability helps you fulfill extra resource needs easily. Public cloud providers have inbuilt apps and services preferred for IT and business operations. And the disadvantages of public cloud is it is restricted to infrastructure control. The ownership cost cannot be predicted and might increase for large scale users. Can't meet security need. Can't totally support the industry standards, legal needs of government policy, and so on. The third type is hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is combination of private and public cloud solutions with an integrated infrastructure where the privatization of sensitive app happens, but common services like hosting happens in the public cloud. Users can utilize the app and data workloads located in both the public and private clouds. So basically, this is a mix of a single and multiple tenancy models with both public and private exposure and is situated inside the service provider's location and the company's network. The advantages of hybrid cloud is the hybrid cloud is extremely authentic as it offers shared services across multiple cloud solutions. It offers more scalability and flexibility than completely private cloud apps without disturbing security. You can utilize both cloud native and legacy apps. Costs are lower than a completely private cloud solution. If we speak about the disadvantages of hybrid cloud, then it needs high-end tech expertise for establishing, handling, and maintaining the solution. Infrastructure can be complicated due to emerging combination of private and public clouds. It can be costly, particularly compared to the public cloud. Now comes multi-cloud model. Multi-cloud is another type of cloud computing that is similar to the hybrid cloud. It refers to more than a single public cloud provider along with a private cloud. Last but not the least comes multi-cloud model. Multi-cloud is another type of cloud computing that is similar to the hybrid cloud. It refers more than a single public cloud provider along with a private cloud. Last but not the least comes multi-cloud model. Multi-cloud is another type of cloud computing that is similar to the hybrid cloud. It refers to more than a single public cloud provider along with a private cloud. A multi-cloud and a hybrid cloud model might seem to be the same on a superficial level. Nevertheless, these two have some differences, like a hybrid cloud implies the mix of public and private clouds, where a multi-cloud model explains how companies utilize a mix of various cloud providers for fulfilling business requirements. The very first benefit of multi-cloud model is it boosts performance. A multi-cloud approach enables organizations to opt for the solutions that meets their business needs, thereby helping them increase resources and pay for what they utilize only. The another benefit is it enhances resilience. The best cloud providers can also experience an unexpected downtime that can highly impact the capacity of a company to keep services running. Keeping all the apps and data with a single provider can be difficult. Thereby, deploying data and apps using various cloud providers enhances resilience and offers quicker disaster recovery. Now the point comes like when to use multi-cloud. The simple answer is select another solution in case you don't wish to invest money and time in a complicated cloud setup. Moreover, choose a different cloud model in case your company does not have multi-cloud vendor IT professionals. And remember that it's costlier in case you need to use a multi-cloud for replicating your services accordingly. So yes, at the end, I must say that cloud computing has changed how organizations worldwide do businesses in ways that many people don't understand. Knowing the difference among different types of cloud computing and finding the right fit for a developing business is highly necessary. If you are looking for cloud computing solutions, then click on www.mindinventory.com now. So yes, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed listening to this podcast about cloud computing. We'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep chilling.